Why black windows are trending. Dear friends, now and then, a new idea comes along that has staying power, and it changes the world around us. Black windows are one of these ideas. They have been around for years, but it seems like they are just now starting to catch the eye of homeowners, designers, and more. Reason 1, fabulous, customized style. Did you know that black windows date back to the Victorian era and were used in the homes of the more dominant, higher classes? Black windows have such a classy, high-quality look about them that it is no wonder they are often referred to as being a high-end design choice. Regardless of your preference, your space, or your design ideas, you can order black windows that will fit just right and get the look you want. Reason 2, limited availability. As the popularity surrounding black windows increases, the demand has not. Maybe buyers believe that they are too expensive, or perhaps consumers just have not discovered them yet. Whatever the reason, the difference between black and white windows is that the supply isn't there. It is not as easy to walk into a store and walk out with black windows as you would with white. For one reason or another, manufacturers just don't see the need to keep making them in advance, leaving a limited availability of black windows. Reason 3, high-level contrast. White windows sort of fade into the rest of the house. But black windows? They are bold, and they accent the home, creating a strong contrast between the exterior finish and the interior wall colors. From the outside of your home, the outline of the black windows and how they contrast with the rest of the house is absolutely stunning, particularly at night. Many people find that in new builds, playing with the contrast between design elements can balance a space. Reason 4, a timeless option. While black windows may be trending now, they are not a new option. They have stood the test of time since the 1800s, always making an assertive statement in the homes of the well-to-do. This timeless option allows you to change your mind about your decor. Whether you decide to paint your home or change the interior design entirely, the black windows will move with you. They will continue to stand out through every phase of their life. Reason 5, increase your home's value. Anytime you invest in your home, you do so in hopes of adding value. By opting for black windows during a build or remodel, you are already planning for your future. Whether you go to sell, refinance, or handle business involving your assets, the addition of black windows will prove to be fruitful. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.